welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. And today's video is one I'm excited about. This is our camera vlog test on the Galaxy Z Flip 4. In this video, we're vlogging, we're taking all the nice photos, we're even doing some night shots and night videos. Right, without further ado, let's go to Kuala Lumpur, where I vlog with the Z Flip 4. Good day, you beautiful people. It is early, we're up in Kuala Lumpur and we're shooting with a front-facing camera of the Galaxy Z Flip 4 4K 30 FPS. That's a lot, but yeah, walking and talking, and this is what front-facing stabilization looks like. We're out to get coffee. It's gonna be a long day, so let's go. It can only do 1080p because we're shooting with a front-facing camera on flex mode. I don't know if you can hear me. Cheers. We've cleaned up a little. We're heading to an event in Kuala Lumpur, just, you know, because. Feature in phones that I feel like is often overlooked is the scan feature. So for example, randomly at this event there were slides and I wanted to take better photos of the slides, so I did a scan, and it even allows you to extract text. Honestly, this scan feature comes in clutch, pretty useful, and you just get better photos of whatever you want to be scanning. Okay, so we are on the way to a coffee shop, and as you are seeing, it's right-hand drive in Malaysia. I am in the driver's seat. I don't understand why I'm not driving. I'm gonna pretend like I'm driving because this is literally where I'd be if I were driving. This is confusing. This is what we're doing, driving into a coffee shop. So, I mean, thanks for bringing us. Vika, what are you ordering?
I don't know.
But yeah, so I guess we're just... How do I open the window?
Here.
Oh, hey. Right, so we're back at the Airbnb and we're just like, you know, being tech people, shooting some stuff. And so this is the front-facing camera, 4K, wait, 30 FPS? 4K, 60 FPS this time. This is what it looks like. Full HD, 60 FPS. Full HD, 30 FPS. Let's check out the rear cameras. And now this wonderful view, this is 4K 30 FPS, which is what I've been shooting with, well, mostly wide 1x, and we can zoom in to 10x, back to 1x, back to wide, 1x, 4K 60 FPS, we have 1x, you can do up until 10x, back to 1x, and there is no wide for this. Full HD 60 FPS this time, 10x, back to 1x, no wide, 1080p, 30 FPS, 1x, wide. That's Vika. That's Mary. And then you can go up until 10x, 1x, wide, 1x. We are in the rain. Food run. Thank God this is waterproof. We're at the point in this vlog where we're shooting in low light, but really quickly, these shots were taken inside a car with absolutely no lights at all. With night mode, I know they're shaky, but it was a shaky car. Basically, this is how it looked like on wide, so I am quite impressed as early as now. We found the spot. Yeah, let's go drink. And that was our camera vlog test with the Z Flip 4. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you feel these new cameras performed. Personally, I'm pretty impressed. I see the improvement between this phone and the Galaxy Z Flip 3, which I also have a vlog test with. I'll link it up here and down below. But yeah, let me know if you want me to do like a side-by-side comparison of the two phones. Also, let me know if you want to see a social media test with the Z Flip 4. Let me know if you have questions. Comment down below. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. That's it for today. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time.